guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this awesome clown makeup, and I didn't think it was going to come out this good, but I'm so fucking excited for it. I have a wig on. I know it's not properly put on or whatever. I know how to put them on. I just threw it on right now just so you guys can see how it looks. But yeah, if you guys want to learn how to do this cool makeup clown makeup, then stick around and keep on watching because I'm excited to show you guys. Okay, so like any other makeup look that I've done or whatever, you don't really need a base foundation for this. You don't really need a base because you're gonna be going over your whole face basically with face paint. It requires a lot of colors, basically almost every color of the rainbow, but yeah. So let's get to it. I'm also going to be painting my neck, so that's why I'm wearing a strapless shirt. So first things first, we do need eyeshadow and face paint. Getting the red paint, and you're just gonna be doing, guess what? I bet you guys already know, the nose. So you're gonna be doing a circle on your nose, and you're not gonna be outlining this one, so it's easier. My intention isn't to like make it scary, it's to make it cute. So yeah. So here's the nose. So you start off with the white paint and the brush. Again, a little bit is better than too much because we can reverse it. I'm just gonna be putting it. And now that you're right here, you're gonna be getting a little bit more, and then you're gonna be going like this. If you need to let it dry, go ahead and let it dry. And then you're gonna be going in with another layer because the white tends to be a little bit not so pigmented, you know? So I'm just gonna let it dry. And then I'm gonna do another layer so it's more white. And it's coming out really freaking good. While we let this dry, because it was kind of like 2 layers and it feels pretty wet, we're gonna be going in with the eyeshadow, and then we're gonna be doing the opposites. So like the pink triangle, we're gonna be doing blue eyeshadow next to it, and it doesn't have to be perfect again. It's gonna be just like this. Like this. And then for the blue triangle, we're going to be doing pink eyeshadow next to it. And then you're going to be getting the brush. You just make sure it's washed, clean, whatever. And then you're going to be drawing your lips. You can also make them a little bit bigger if you want. Like this. Ooh, looks so cool. Put my hair up because I don't want it to get painted. So we're gonna be doing kind of like the same pattern as the eyeshadow, but on the necks. So that's gonna be like the collar thing. So first we're gonna be doing the pink one. Since I don't have hot pink, I'm just gonna probably mix some red in it. I actually think it's gonna be a little bit more complicated just to keep mixing, and if I ran out, mix more. So I'm just gonna be going in with the normal pink that I have, and it's gonna be the light pink that I've been using for my lips and stuff. And this brush is so much bigger, so I'm gonna be going in. I need my mirror. So I'm gonna be going in, and I need my mirror. So we're gonna start off in here. So like this. And we're gonna be doing the same thing for every color I'm gonna be showing you guys. So. Ooh, it's so much harder to clean this brush. But next we're gonna be going in with orange. And then we're gonna be doing the same thing. like a black line in between each color. So this is the whole makeup look. I added all these little dangly things. I did everything, but I'm gonna be adding a wig just to bring the whole makeup look together, like the clown theme. And I'll be right back. So I applied my wig, and I applied just a teeny bit of mascara. You can't really tell, but oh my god, I love this. I love this makeup look. I love, not makeup look, but Halloween. Oh my gosh, I didn't think it would come out this freaking good. Ooh. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Or do you guys think it's creepy? Because I like clowns and I think it's so cute. So, this is the end of the tutorial, unfortunately. I did have a lot of fun doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, the process and everything. I hope maybe you guys want to be clowns, or you guys try to do this makeup look or something. But yeah, comment down below if you guys like this look, if you think it's creepy, or if you think it's cute, or yeah, what do you guys think of everything. I really want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching my videos, for supporting me, you know. And I'm so happy to be making videos for you guys, especially Halloween videos. I love Halloween videos. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then give it 2 thumbs up, if only, right? But give it a thumbs up, and then comment down below and share it with your friends if they want to be clowns or something. And yeah, I have more videos coming up for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for more. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.